table, the columns are not available. The columns are present in other table, then we'll go for the giants. I want to able to see the both the columns data, then we'll go for the giants only. Now, normally except to self giant, how many tables will be required if you are able to write the cross giant or Cartesian giant? How many tables we need to require? 2 tables only. If we are able to write the equigiant and non-equigiant, how many tables we need to require?
More than one.
Equigiant and non-equigiant. Always
More than one.
with the 2 tables only. More than 1 table. Okay. Next, what it is? Inner giant and outer giants also. How many tables we need to require up to now, as of now?
2 tables.
2 tables. Correct. Now come to self giant. Self giant, always we can able to write the single table only. Joining a table data by itself is called as a self giant only. Now self giant, the same table, it can be call it as a another table. That is a self giant. By joining a table data by itself is called as a self giant only. For example, then I can tell you, then only you can able to understand. What is my current requirement? One data I'm going to prepare it here. And now you can see this. This is the table. This is the employee table. How many employees are there present in this data? Just you can see this up to this. How many employees are there? This? Or you can able to see this. Anything. How many employees are there here?
7.
7 employees are there. Correct. Now, how many columns are there?
3.
3 columns only. One is the employee number column. Another one is the employee name column. Another one is the manager ID column is there. Correct. What is my current requirement? I want to able to find out the list of the employee names along with their manager names only. What is my current requirement? Write a query to display the list of employee names along with their manager names only. For this table, employee table, is there any manager name as of now? Is there any manager name column is present in this table?
No.
Only one it is present here.
MGR.
MGR ID is nothing but a manager ID only. MGR ID is nothing but a manager ID only. Now here, how many employees are there here as of now?
7.
7 only.
7.
Now you can tell me the answer. There's the first employee is reporting to whom?
Null.
Null. Null means he is the topmost priority in the company. He is a CEO only. If you are able to take any organization, now CEO is the highest priority or not? Is there any boss for CEO for any company? Correct or not? That's the reason there is no manager of this employee. CEO is also one of the employee only. Correct or not? In the entire organization, CEO is also one of the employee. Manager also is one of the employee. Clerk is also one of the employee. Lead engineer, project engineer, everyone will as a employees only. But their designations will be changing. Correct or not? As per any organization. Next. Now, employee number 2. What is his name? Employee number 2 as per our data. What is our employee name for employee number 2? What is the employee name? What is the employee name of employee number 2 as per the given data? Now here, Suhas it is there here. Who is for his employee is reporting to whom?
Mohan.
Yes.
Mohan.
Correct. Employee number is 1. He is reporting to whom? Mohan only. Correct. Here, is there any manager name as a Mohan?
No.
No. Only employee name is there. Correct.
Yes.
Have to clear the requirement. Just understand the requirement carefully. This requirement you can able to understand. Then we can write the query very, very easily. Otherwise, it can able to write the self-join as a difficulty only. Next. Now come to this third employee. Third employee, what is his name?
Rajesh.
Rajesh. He is reporting to whom again?
Mohan.
Now next come to this 3. Third
Arun.
employee. What is his name?
Arun.
Arun. He is reporting to whom again?
Suhas.
Okay. Next. Fourth employee. What is his name? Vijay. He is reporting to again Suhas only. Now come to fifth employee. What is his name?
Arun.
Arun. He is reporting to whom again?
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Rajesh only. Correct. Now, is there any manager names is present in the as per our table data?
No.
No. Only manager is also one of the employee in the company or not?
Yes.
Correct or not? Manager is also one of the company or not? Then Now within the same table, the details are there. Now is this manager is present in another table or same table?
Same table.
Same table. Now manager is also one of the employee, correct or not? Manager is also one of the employee. For example, now you can tell me, 2 is the employee name is Suhas. He is reporting to whom? 1 only. But
Mohan.
is there any manager name? 1
No.
means what it is here?
Mohan.
Mohan only. Now our requirement, it is there in the same table or not?
Yes.
Then for the same table, the requirement it is there, then we cannot go for the another table. Within the same table, we can write the join. That join is called as a self join only. Clear up to this, all of you? Joining a table data by itself. By itself means within the same table, we can retrieve the data by some conditions only. Now, this is the one table. What is this table name? Employee. Okay. Now here, just I can give the alias name as a E only here. Just observe here. What the alias name I have given? E only. Next, for this table, this is also same data is there or not? Another table. This is the another table. This is the one table. This is the another table. Same table. We need to fetch the data. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear the requirement? This one, what it is? For the same table data, by joining itself, it is called as a self join only. This is the one table. What is the alias name I have given? E only. Now, what is this same table? I want to give the alias name as a M only. For this, E is nothing but a employee information. M is nothing but a manager information only. Now, can we use the same table or different table as per our requirement?
Same table.
Same table only. All of you clear what it is? Self join, joining a table data by itself. This is the one table. This is the one table. Same table only. Now, what is the common condition here? What the common condition here? Now here, this is the manager information only. This is the employee information only. Okay. Now first employee number, what it is? 1 only. What is his manager currently? Null only. Why? He is not reporting to anyone. He is the highest priority, superior in the company. Next, come to this. Employee number is 2. What is his? He is reporting to whom? 1 only.
Mohan.
Now what is his name? Now here, for this table, it is matching or not?
Yes, match.
Yes, this one employee for this manager ID column, for this employee number, employee table information, this employee number, what is this manager ID?
1.
1. Now come to this this table, right side table, manager information. For this employee, this manager ID equal to this employee number. Can we write the join condition or not?
Yes.
All of you clear or not? Now here, this is the one. One is the employee number. He is reporting to whom? Null only. Why? Because he is the topmost priority. We could not find out any details for this one. Why? Because this is a employee, this is a manager only. Correct or not? Is it possible or not? Superior. Now next come to this. Employee number 2. He is reporting to whom? 1 only. 1 what it is in this table. 1 what it is? Employee number. This condition, we need to write this condition only. First, what is the table? Employee E dot MGR ID equal to M dot employee number. Now we can write the joining condition like that. Just I can write it. Then I can show the example only. E dot what I am going to do? MGR ID equal to. Now you can tell me what is the condition I need to write. M dot employee number. Now you can tell me the answer. For the joining condition. First I can write the columns like this only. E dot. Just observe here. E dot employee number. E dot employee number. E dot E name. Next M dot employee number. M dot employee number is nothing but a manager ID or manager number. Anything we need to write it here. Manager ID. This is the employee ID. I can give the alias name just for understanding purpose. Employee ID. This is what it is. Employee name. Just I can write as the employee underscore name. Next, what I am going to write here. M dot E name equal to, just I can write as a manager name. Can we write like this or not? Now come to this. First, what is the employee ID? 1. Okay. Employee ID is 1. Employee name, what it is? A only. Now, is there any boss for here? For this record is not printing as of now. Okay. Why it is not printing? Then I can show you the example. Next, come to 2. Come to 2. Employee ID, what it is? 2 only. What is his name? Employee 2. Employee name, what it is?
Suhas.
What from where to whom he is reporting to?
Mohan 1.
Employee name, what it is? Employee name Suhas. Next employee number, what it is here? He is reporting to whom? 1 only. Okay. What is his name?
Mohan.
Just we can write like this only. Next. Next one, third. Employee number is 3. What is his name? Third employee.
Rajesh.
Rajesh. Okay. Next, he is reporting to whom? What is his
One.
manager ID?
1.
Again, 1 only. What is his name?
Mohan.
1 it is Mohan. Okay. Now next. Next one, what is? 3. 3, what is his name? 2, 3 is over. 4.
Sir, here 4 should come, no?
4, 4. Sorry, not 3. Where it is 4?
Arun.
Here it is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just adding the numbers, it is wrong. 7, 8 only here. 1, 2, 3. Eight only. Now here, what is next one? 4. What is his name?
Arun.
Employee. Aruna.
Yes.
Now he is reporting to whom? Normally,
2.
as per the data 2. In this table, what is his 2? What is his name? This is the manager
Suhas.
ID. What is his name? Next. 5.
Vijay.
Vijay. Next one is reporting to whom? Again, 2 only. Manager ID is 2. What is his name?
Suhas.
Next one. Next one,
6.
what is? 6th only. What is his name? Arun.
Arun.
Is reporting to whom?
3.
3. What is his manager ID? Is 3. What is manager name?
Rajesh.
3. Rajesh only. Next. 7. What is his name? 7. Chaitra.
Chaitra.
Now he is reporting to whom as per our table? First table.
3.
3. He is reporting to manager ID is 3. What is his name again?
Rajesh.
Rajesh only. Now here, next one.
Soumya.
Final one is the Soumya. He is reporting to whom? 4. What is his name in the 4? Arun only. Clear up to this? Now, can we find out the manager names or not? Now, within the same table, is there any data manager name? Is there any manager name present in the employee table?
No.
Only what it is present? Manager ID only.
ID.
Based on this manager ID, can I able to find out the manager name or not? As per our data. What is the condition? What the condition you need to write it here? E.mgr equal to mgr ID equal to m.employee number. What is this employee ID? Null. Null equal to 1. Is it matching? No. Null equal to 2. Is it matching? No. Null equal to 3. It won't match. For this record, it won't print. Okay. Next, come to this. What is the manager ID of this second employee? 1 only. 1 equal to 1. Matching or not? For this condition is matching or not? For this case, what the number it is printing? Mohan only. Next, 1 equal to 2. Condition it is not satisfied. 1 equal to 3. These are all not satisfied. Only first record it is printing. Next, come to this. What is this? Again 1. Again for this employee, what it is? Is reporting to whom? Third employee, 1 only. Now this record also it is printing. Next one. Fourth employee is reporting to whom? Second only. What is manager ID for this? Second equal to 1? It won't satisfy. Second equal to 2? Satisfied. Now what is the name? Suhas only. Like that data is printing. Clear up to this? All of you clear for this? Now, simple example, this one. Now, for this table, how many employees are there? Now, we can tell me the answer. Normally. First table, how many employees are there?
4.
4 only. What are all those employee IDs and manager names it is there? Manager name it is there? For this table, is there any manager ID?
Yes.
Manager ID is there. Is there any manager name?
No.
No.
So this is the table. What is the alias name I have given here for this table? Employee.
Employee info.
underscore info.
For the same table I have written right side or not? For the same table that I have written right side or not? Why? Because if you are able to write the join in our system, minimum how many tables will be required?
Two.
More than one table. Correct or not? This is the self join. Why do I don't want to take the other table? Within the same table, the requirement it is there. That's the reason I have to take the same table data here from the right side. Now, what is the definition of here? Joining a table data by itself is called as a self join only. Now, you can tell me. 100 is the employee number. He is reporting to whom? 100 employee number. He is reporting to whom?
D.
400. 400 is nothing but a D. What is his name? What is his manager name? 100.
D.
Employee name is A.
A.
What is the output? D only.
D.
Just you can see this data. First record. Is it correct or not as per our requirement? Now come to the second one. What is the employee number here? 200. What is his employee name? B. He's reporting to whom?
C.
C.
C. What is he? C here? C only. 300 it is the manager ID. C it is printing. Now next come to this. 300 is the employee number. His name is C. He's reporting to whom again? 100. What is 100? A only. Is printing or not? This is the way we need to find out. Clear up this? If you are able to understand this requirement, then we'll go for the tables. Anyone is having any doubts as of now? Now, I'm going to show it here. Now we can tell me the answer. Select star from EMP. Now I can run this query. In this query is having, now we can tell what is the employee. Just I can write as employee number, employee name, manager. Okay, manager name. Currently there is no manager name in this table. Correct or not? Now what is this employee number? 7839. Correct? 7839. First you can take this. What is the employee name? King. For the table data, I'm going to explain. MGR is reporting to whom? Currently?
Null.
Null. Null means is the highest priority in the company. CEO, like that CEO. Is there any manager? No. Next, second employee. What is his name? Second, what is his ID? Oh, sorry. Second employee number, what it is? 7698. He's reporting to whom? Employee number, what is? Sorry. Here, King only. Here, what is the employee name? Blake only. He's reporting to whom? 7698. 7698 is the employee number. He is reporting to whom? What is his manager ID?
789.
7839.
King.
What is his name?
King.
Is there any manager name column is present in the table?
No.
No. Can I normally within the same table I can write the query. Later I can write it. Next one. What is the employee number? 7782. What is his name? Clark. He's reporting to whom? Again?
7839.
What is his name? 7839.
King.
And next one. What is the next one? 7566. What is his name? 7566. Jones. He's reporting to whom?
7839. King.
Again 7839 only. 7839 is reporting to King. Okay. Next one. 7788. What is his name? Scott. He's reporting to whom?
Jones. 7566.
7566. What is his name?
Jones.
7566. Jones only. Correct. Next one.
J.
7902. Just I don't want to write all the name. Just you can write like that only. 7902. What is his name?
Ford.
He's reporting to whom? 7902.
7566.
What is his name?
Jones.
Jones only. Next one, what is? 7369. What is his name? Smith. He is reporting to whom?
7902. Ford.
7902. What is his name? Manager name?
Ford.
Correct. Next one, what is 7499? What is his name? Allen. He is reporting to whom?
7698.
7698. What is his name?
Blake.
Blake. Okay. Next one.
7521.
7521. What it is?
What?
is reporting to whom?
7698.
Again 7698. What is his name? Blake only. Next one.
765.
7654. What is his name?
Martin.
Martin. Is reporting to whom?
7698.
Again Blake only. Next one. Total 10 employees are there. Over. Next one 7844. What is his name? Turner.
Turner.
Is reporting to whom?
7698.
Again 7698. Again Blake only. Next one, what is 7876? Adams is reporting to whom?
7788. Scott.
7788 is nothing but a Scott.
Scott.
Just you can check it and tell me. 7900. What is his name?
James.
James is reporting to whom?
7698. Blake.
7698 is nothing but a Blake only. Correct. Next one, what is last one? 7534. What is his name?
7934.
What is his name?
7934, sir. Ready.
What is his name?
Miller.
Miller. Is reporting to whom?
778.
778. 778 is nothing but a, just you can see that above it is the 7782. What is? It is the 7782. Is there any 7782?
No.
It's not there. Someone has changed the value. Someone has changed the values here, I think.
7782. Clark.
Clark, huh?
Yes.
Okay. These are the details. Up to this clarity. Now, based on a single table data, if we are able to run this query, if I am able to run this query, 14 employees are present in this table. For each employee is reporting to any one of the manager, correct? For this table, is there any manager name? Within the table, for this table, only manager ID it is there, but there is no manager name. What is my current requirement? Write a query to display the employee names along with their manager names only. That's the reason. If the manager ID is present in the another table, then we can write the different table. Then we can take the different table. Now manager ID and the employee number is present in the same table. That's the reason we can write the self join only. How we can write the self join? Just you can see this. Now what is the common column? This is the one. Again, we can take the same data for here. Again, we can take the same data. This is one of the data. This is the one data. Just already we have find out the output only. This is the output only. Okay. This is the output. Now, what is this? First, we can take all the 14 employees from one table data. Okay. You can take all the data. Just that's the reason I cannot take it here. Just for example, this example they have taken here. For the same way, we need to understand here. Now, for this employee, for this is the one table. For this table, how many employees are there? 4. For the same data, I want to take it here. This is the employee table. This is also employee table. Within the same table, I want to join it. That is called as self join only. If you are able to write the self join in our system, compulsory we need to provide the alias names only. If you are able to write the self join in our system, compulsory we need to provide the alias name. So without writing the alias name, the system doesn't understand only. Okay, that's the reason. For this first table, employee table, I want to give it as a employee underscore info. For this table, it can able to store the employee information. For the same table, employee only, what is the alias name I have given? Manager underscore info. For this table, it can able to store the manager information within the same table only, not for any other table. So now how we can write the join for these two tables? This is that for this table, first table, employee info dot manager ID equal to manager info dot employee ID column. That is the joining condition only. This is the primary key of this table. Employee ID is the primary key. Manager ID is the foreign key. Later I can tell you what is meant by primary key, what is meant by foreign key. Okay. First I can write the joining condition here for this one. How we can write it? Now you can tell me. First what I am going to do? Select star from EMP. This is one table. Okay. I am going to take the one more table also, select star from EMP. Within the same table, we can write the join or not. Within the same table, we can write the join or not. Just I can write the join only. Select, just observe here, star from EMP. What is I am going to give it as a employee underscore info. What is my alias name? Employee underscore info. Within the same table or not? Can we write the same table or different table for self join? Now you can tell me. Can I write the same table or different table? The requirement is present in the same table or different table?
Same table.
Same table. That's the reason what I am going to give it as alias name, manager underscore info. Now run the query. Up to this, what type of join for this? Up to this, what type of join for this?
Equitable.
Up to this, what type of join?
Inner join.
No,
Partition.
Cartesian join.
Cartesian.
Now run the query. How many rows are coming? 14 into 14, 196 rows will come. Just you can check it. How many rows are coming? 196. Now, next what I am going to do here? Where? What is the condition we need to write? What is the joining condition for these two? Where? First table, what it is? First table, this manager ID equal to second table. This is the second table alias name, this employee ID. Now you can write the joining condition only. What is the first table? Employee underscore alias name. First table alias name. Just you can take it here. Dot MGR equal to second table. What it is? This one, second table. Dot employee number. That's it. Now run the query. You can see the output. How many rows are coming as of now? How many rows are coming? 13 rows only. Why it won't print the 14 rows? Can anyone guess it and tell me the answer? Why this query it won't print the 14 rows?
One record will
King
be
is null.
CEO.
Why? Because null first record 7839 is a employee name is a king, but he doesn't report anyone. Why? Because he is the highest priority in the company. Correct or not? That's the reason this query it won't display any output. Now what is my requirement? Just I can write the query like this: employee underscore info dot. First, what is the column name? I want to take it employee number. This is called as a employee ID. I have given the alias name. Just for understanding purpose only. Next, what I am going to do? Employee underscore info dot ename. Next, what I am going to give it here? EMP name only. Employee name, this one alias. Now run the query. It can display the employee ID and employee name only. Next, I want to print the manager ID. How we can write the manager ID? Manager info dot employee number. What is this? This is called as a manager ID. 1 minute. I want to give the alias name here. What I am going to give? Manager ID. Now run the query. You can get it or not? 7698 is reporting to whom? 7839. Is it correct or not? Just go to your output and check the answer. 7698. Where it is? 7698 is reporting to whom? 7698. Is it correct or not? 7839. Now I am going to write the one more column here. Then you can able to understand. Now manager underscore info dot ename. This one I can give it as a manager name only. Now run the query. Now run the query. Then only can able to understand. Now go to your output. This one, just now we have find out this output. Now you can tell me 7839 is it printing our output? As per our query, is it printing 7839? Final output, is it printing? Why? Because it's not reporting to anyone. That's the reason it won't print. First record. Just I can comment this. Next one. Go to the second one. 7698 is printing or not? First record. Employee ID, what it is? 7698. What is his name? Blake only. Now he is reporting to whom? 7839. What is his name? King only. Now the output is printing or not? First row. Is it clear or not? All of you. Up to this clarity or not? First row. Any doubts here up to now? Abdul, Arshia, Ashok, Bhavana.
Oh,
All of you clear or not?
Yes.
How we can able to print
Yes,
this
sir.
value? And next one, 7778. He is reporting. What is his name? Clark only. He is reporting to whom? 783. Again, King it is printing. Up to this clarity. Now it can print the manager names only. Now our requirement is reach out or not? As of now. What is our requirement? List the employee names along with their manager names only. This is the employee details. Up to this first two columns, employee detail. The other two columns, it is having the manager details only. Manager details is nothing but a manager ID and manager name. In the employee table, is having any manager name? No. Can I able to find out the manager name by using this joining condition or not? What is the joining condition we have written? This one. This is the joining condition only. Clear up to this, all of you? Now, can anyone tell me what is my current requirement? Now I'm going to tell you one more requirement here. Now first record, is it printing as per our query output? This one, after writing this query. Okay. Now, is this output it is printing as 7839 details? Why it won't print the 7839 details? Can anyone guess it? Why it won't print the 7839 details as of now?
He is the CEO, like.
Now, what is my current requirement? I am able to see this employee details also in our output. How we can write the query? Can anyone guess it and tell me the answer? Which join will be suitable? Now, for the self join, which join I want to add it our query? Now, this employee details also I am able to see it. Now, can anyone tell me the answer? Which type of join will be suitable our requirement? Currently, this record is not printing. Correct or not? No, this join also it can be printed as a self join, also it can be printed as a inner join, equi join only. Up to now, we have written the equi join condition only. Correct or not? This
Outer
one?
join, sir.
Which outer join will be suitable?
Right outer join.
No, right not. Just to see that. Now here I am going to write the plus symbol here. Correct or
Okay.
not? Now run the query. If I am able to run this query, you can able to see the
Outer.
data or not. Now is it getting or not?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean for this? Left side table, full records it is printing. Right side table, matching records. So up to this, what it is? Matching records. Correct or not? Now what it is? This one, it is the left side table full data and right side table not matching this data. Up to this. Clear? This is the way we need to write it. I don't want to disturb this query. All of you clear the requirement. I am able to see the 7839 details also in our output. How we can write that? Currently, he is not reporting to anyone. He is the superior, highest priority in the company. The details also I am able to see it. For that case, what I am going to do? You are able to write the outer joins only. Which type of outer join I have written here? This one is a left outer join only. Clear up to this? Anyone is having any doubts as of now? Next, one more requirement I am going to tell you here. Can anyone tell me the answer? What is my current requirement? I will tell you. Write a query to display the employee details who are getting the more salary as compared to their managers. Which employee is having the more salary is compared to their managers only. Now we can see the data and tell me the answer. Only salaries only. Now just I can take this column only, data only. Just now what we have printed, this one only. I don't write all the things, everything. Just copy the data and here paste it. I can write the one more column only here. Now here what I am going to do? Salary column. Just a minute. I can write it here only. Now here I can add it here. This is the employee salary. For understanding purpose, I am going to write it here. Not for output, just I am going to give the details only. Manager salary. Okay. Now we can tell me the answer. 7839 is the what it is? Is a highest precedence only. Correct or not? Employee also same only for this. For these details, we did not get it. Correct or not? Next, 7698. What is his salary? 7698. What is the salary of employee? 7698. 2850. He is reporting to whom? He is reporting to whom? 7839. What is his salary? 7839 salary? 5000 only. This is the manager salary. Correct or not? Which one is that? Which employee is getting the more salary or manager is getting the more salary here? As per these details, 7698 salary, what it is? 2850. He is reporting to whom? 789. What is his salary? 789, 5000. But these two scenario, employee is getting the more salary or manager is getting the more salary? Now check the 2850 greater than 5000. Is it correct or not? It's a failure only, false condition. This record is not printing. This is a false. I don't want to print this record. Next, come to this. Next record. Next one, what is 7782? What is his salary? 7782 as per our output. 2450. He is reporting to whom again? 2450. He is reporting to whom? Again, king only. 5000 only. This condition is also not satisfied. Not satisfied. We don't print this record also. Why? Because what is our current requirement? Which employee is having the more than their manager salary? The details I am able to find out. Now, next one, 7566. What is his name? Jones. What is his salary? 2975. Now, he is reporting to whom again? King only. This is also not satisfied. This record is also not satisfied. No, I don't want to print this record also. Next one. 7788. What is his what is his salary? 3000 only. He is reporting to whom? Is reporting to whom? 7788 as per the data. Now see this 7788 7566. 7566. What is his name? Jones. What is his salary? 2975. Now you can tell me. Now Scott's salary is having the more than their manager salary. Now you can tell me the answer. Scott salary. What is his name? 7788 Scott only. He is reporting to whom? 7566. What is his name? Jones only. What is the salary of Scott? 3000 only. What is his manager salary? 2975. Now here the manager employee is having the more salary of their manager or not?
Yes, true condition.
Can I print this record or not as per our requirement? This record I need to print. And next one again 7902 Ford is reporting to Jones only. Again, what is his salary? 2975. This record also I need to print. Next one, compared to this 7369 Smith. What is his salary? 7369 800 only. Okay, 800 7369 salary is reporting to whom? 7902. 7902 where it is? 7902 Ford only. What is his salary? 3000. Okay, this is also not satisfied. This is false. Next one. Next one, what is 7499? 7499 is nothing but Allen. What is his salary? 1300 only. Now he is reporting to whom? Allen. Allen Blake only. Where the Blake? Blake salary what it is? 2850. Blake salary what it is? 2850. This record is also not printing. False only. Next. 7521. 7521, what is his name? Ward. What is his salary as of now? 1500. Now he is reporting to whom? 7521 is reporting to Blake only. What is his salary of Blake? 2850. This record is also not printing. Next one. And now you can tell me what it is. 7654. What is his name? Martin. What is his salary? 1250. Oh, sorry. This Ward 7521. Just now you have this one also. Previously, what we have written? 7499. This one, what is 1600? Sorry. 1600. Next one, 1250. This is the 1250. Now here, I'm going to take the one more 1250. Is reporting to again Blake. What is his salary? 2850. This is also not printing. Next one, what is 7844? 7844, 1500. Again is reporting to Blake. 2850. This is also not able to print. The condition is not satisfied. Next one, what is 7876? Scott only. What is 7876? Adams. What is his salary? 1100. Is reporting to whom? Scott only. What is this Scott? What is his salary, Scott? This one. Again, 3000 only. This is also not able to print. False. Next one, what is 7904? 7900. What is his salary? 950. Is reporting to Blake. Again, 2850. This is also false. Next one, what is the final one? 1300 is reporting to whom? Clerk only. What is the salary of clerk? Now 2450. This condition is also not satisfied. Now we can tell me how many rows are printing, how many employees are having more than their manager salary as per our data.
2.
2 only, correct or not? Just you can see this. How many employees are having their more than their manager salary as per our data? 2 employees only. What it is? This one, Scott and Ford is having the more than their manager salary. Correct or not? How we can write the query? First, what we need to find out? First, we need to find out the managers and manager names only. Same query. In the previous, how we can write the query? Select star from. First, we need to write it here. Just later, I can write the columns. Employee table. First, we can write the employee. Just I can give the employee underscore info. Next, comma. What I am going to do? Next one, same table. What is this table name? MGR underscore info. Just what I am going to write? Where employee underscore info dot manager equal to manager underscore info dot employee number. This is the joining condition. Now you can see the data. There it is. Now run the query. You can see the data.
Star missing. Star.
Now you can write it. Now I can write the columns like this. First employee underscore info related columns I have taken. Then only can able to understand. Employee underscore info. Just I can give the alias name as a employee ID. Same columns. Next one, what it is? Salary, I can write it as a last, then for understanding purpose. Now here, what I am going to write it here, employee underscore info dot ename. Just I can write as a emp underscore name. Next one, what is emp underscore info dot. Just you can observe here, I can write the salary. What is this salary? What is salary? Is the employee salary or not? Employee salary only. Just you can write the column like this. Now emp underscore salary. Next, what I am going to do? Just give the comma. Manager info only. Manager info, I can take it as a dot employee number. It is having manager ID, comma, manager info dot ename. It is a same column, so nothing to do change here. Manager, only one column we need to add it here. Just what is the extra column? Salary only. Next, what is manager underscore info dot salary is nothing but a manager salary. Now you can tell me the answer. Is there any condition we need to write in our query? Now you can tell me. First 3 columns belongs to employee information. First 3 columns belongs to employee information. The other 3 columns belongs to manager information only. Now what is my current requirement? How many employees are having their more than their manager salary? The details I am able to find out. How we can write the query? Now, is there any condition we need to add? Up to this, only it can display the employee and manager detail salaries only. Correct or not? Up to this, what it is printing?
Salaries of employee, salary of manager.
Now, what the condition we need to write?
And
And what the condition? And only. How we can write the and condition? Now you can tell me and correct only. Which salary is better than as per our requirement? Employee salary or manager salary?
employee salary get
How we
greater
can write
than
the
manager.
query? EMP underscore info dot salary and greater than what we need to write?
Equal to
Manager
manager.
underscore info dot salary only. That's it. Is there any difficulty? Now, what is our condition? How many employees are having? How many employees are having more than their manager salary? Now, if you are able to run this query, how many we need to get it after execution of this query? As per our output, how many employees are
2.
there than their manager salary? 2 only. Correct or not? Now, run the query. Is it printing 2? Is it correct or not? Now, see the data and tell me the answer. These 2 employees are having the more than their manager salary. Scott and Ford only. Now, correct or not? Scott and Ford is having their more than their manager salary. Clear? Up to this, clear, all of you? This is the way we need to write it down. What? Now, all of you clear for this? Any doubts for this? Any doubts as of now for this? Next, one more requirement I am going to tell you. Same table. Oh, we can write it. Just I can open the one more window. Now you can tell me the answers. Just what I am going to do. Same query. I don't want to take this much explanation. Just I can write the query. Now you can tell me the answers. What is my current requirement? Senior most employee I need to find out compared to their manager's hiring date. Okay. Senior most employee comparing to their manager's date only. When the manager will be joined in the company, when the employee will be joined in the company. Just compare to their manager's date and employee date. Who is the senior most employee? Manager is the senior most employee or employee is the senior most employee. The details I am able to find out. All of you clear the requirement. Now in the previous, what we need to find out in the previous query? Is there any employees having more than their manager's salary? In the previous query. Now, what is the current query? Is there any employees having? Is there any employee joined more than their managers? More than their manager joining date only. Now, how we can write the query? Just you can see this. What the column it is there as per our table? What the column? Date column. What it is? Just I can remove the condition here. Now you can tell me the answer. What condition we need to add? What is the column? Hire date only. Correct or not? What is the column? Joining date. Joining date is nothing but a hire date only. Now, what is employee date only? Just I can write it here. Employee date. Now, what is this here? Here also, I can write the hire date. What I am going to write here? Manager date. Manager joining date. Like that, we can write it here. Who is the senior most employee comparing to these two employees? Now, you can tell me the answer. First, I can execute this query. Now, we can see the data and tell me the answers. When the employee will be joined in the company, when this is the employee information, when the employee will be joined in the company, 1st May 1981. 1 minute. That is also I need to print that values. Format is not correct. Someone has changed the format. Now I can run this query. Now you can tell me the answer. What these two employees, which employee is having the senior manager or employee is having the senior most employee? When the employee will be joined in the company. Now you can tell me the answer, sir. When the employee joined in the company.
1st May.
1st May 1981 only. Now when the manager is joined in the company.
17th November.
For these two employees, manager and employee, who is the senior most employee? Manager or employee?
Employee.
Employee only. Correct or not? Now, what is the output, expected output? First, what is the employee? 7698. Okay. Now, when he will be joined in the employee, when he will be joined in the company? 1st May 1981. This record I need to require. Correct or not? And next one, compare to next record. 7782. When he will be joined in the company? 9 June 1981. When he will be joined manager? 17 November. Again, this record also I need to require. Senior most employee. Now, take this record also. Next one. 7566. When he will be joined in the company? 2nd April 1981. He is also senior most employee. He is also senior most employee compared to their manager joining date. Next one. Next one, 4th record. Now check the data. 7499. When he will be joined in the company? 20 February 1981. Now next to come to this. Is the senior most? No. He is also employee only, senior most employee compared to their manager joining date. Next one, 7521. When he will be joined in the company? 22nd February 1981. Again, next one, 7654, Martin. When he will be joined in the company? 28th September. Now here, first May, who is the senior most, manager or employee for this scenario?
Manager.
Manager only,
Manager.
correct or not? This record I don't want print. Why? Because manager is the senior most. But what is our current requirement? Senior most employee compared to their manager's joining data. Now here next, 7844. When he will be joining the company? 18th, 8th September 1981. Again, manager only, senior most employee. This record is also not required. Next one, when he will be joining the company? 3rd December 1980. Again, manager is the senior most. This record is also not required. Next one, just see this, 1982. Again, manager only, senior most employee. 1981 he joined. Next one, 19 April 1981. This employee only, manager only, senior most. Next, Ford. When he will be joined in the company? 3rd December 1981. Only senior most is the manager only. Next, 23 May 1987. This is also manager is the senior most employee. Next one, 13th record. What it is 13th? 17th December 1980. This record is required. Correct or not? This record is required. Now, when he will be joined in the company? 17th December 1982. When he will be joined in the manager? 2nd December 1981. He is the senior most. Now, how we can print this data? Now, what the joining condition we need to write? Can anyone guess it and tell me the answer? What the condition we need to write? What the condition we need to write? Now you can tell me what the condition we need to add it here. What the condition we need to add? Employee info dot. What the just you can tell me the condition only. Hire date. Manager info. What the condition we need to write? The less than or greater than, anything we need to write. A. What the symbol we need to write it here?
Greater than.
If dates always you can give it as a senior dates, you can give the less than only. Dates level. Now run the query. This is tracking, I think. One minute. Now I can see this. Now run the query. Now how many records are getting? Is it correct or not as per our output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 10. Is the senior most employee compared to their manager? Is it correct or not? Now if you are able to write the greater than, senior most managers only. Employer, manager, if you are able to find out the senior, then we can write it like this. Only managers you want to find out, then you can give the greater. Only employee we need to find out, just you can give the less than symbol only. Clear? Up to this clear, all of you? This is called as a self-join only. Any doubts? Up to this, self-join.
Recording stopped.
Anyone is having any doubts as of now? Self-join. ఎందుకు రాయాలి self-join చెప్పండి? నార్మల్ గా జాయిన్స్ ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నాము?
2 tables జాయిన్.
అంటే డిఫరెంట్ కాలమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒక టేబుల్లో ఒకసారి కాలమ్స్ ఉండకపోవచ్చు మనకి. వేరే టేబుల్లో కాలమ్స్ ఉంది. నాకు ఆ టేబుల్లో డేటా కూడా కావాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 2 సపరేట్‌గా రాసుకోవాలి మన టేబుల్స్ అనేది. అది పాసిబిలిటీ కాదు. మనకేంటి అప్పుడు వేరే టేబుల్‌లో డేటా కూడా మనకు కావాలి అవుట్‌పుట్‌లో. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మీరు? దెన్ వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ది జాయిన్స్. నార్మల్‌గా ఏ జాయిన్ రాసినా మీకు ఎన్ని టేబుల్స్ కావాలి నార్మల్‌గా? ఈక్వి జాయిన్ గాని, నాన్ ఈక్వి గాని, కార్టీజియన్ గాని, క్రాస్ జాయిన్ గాని, ఔటర్ జాయిన్స్ గాని ఏది రాసినా ఎన్ని జాయిన్స్ కావాలి మనకి? ఎన్ని టేబుల్స్
More
కావాలి?
than one.
2 టేబుల్స్ కంపల్సరీ కావాలి. మోర్ దాన్ 1 టేబుల్. నాకేంటి అదే సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్‌కి వచ్చేసరికి ఏమవుతుంది? సింగిల్ జాయిన్. ఆ సింగిల్ జాయిన్‌ని ఇంకొక టేబుల్‌తో జాయిన్ చేసి సేమ్ టేబుల్‌తోనే జాయిన్ కావడం. దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నారు? సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్ అంటున్నారు. ఎందుకు మనకి సేమ్ టేబుల్‌తో జాయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఆ టేబుల్
Requirement in
కాలమ్ అక్కడే ఉంది. సేమ్ టేబుల్‌లోనే మనకి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంది. ఒకవేళ సేమ్ టేబుల్‌లో రిక్వైర్మెంట్ లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? మీకు నచ్చిన జాయిన్ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. అది ఈక్వి జాయిన్ రాస్తారా? ఔటర్ జాయిన్ రాస్తారా? ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ రాస్తారా? అనేది మీ ఇష్టం. అది డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. సేమ్ టేబుల్‌లో మనకి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉందంటే ఏ జాయిన్ రాయాలి మీరు? కంపల్సరీగా సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్ రాయాలి. దానికి ఏం చేయాలి? సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్ రాస్తున్నారంటే 2 టేబుల్స్ తీసుకుంటే 2 టేబుల్స్‌కి అలియాస్ నేమ్స్ రాయాలి. ఒకవేళ 3 టేబుల్స్ సేమ్ టేబుల్ 3 టైమ్స్ రాయాలనుకున్నారు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మీరు? 3 టేబుల్‌కి అలియాస్ నేమ్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ చూడండి అది. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు నాకేంటి మనకి మేనేజర్ నేమ్స్ అనేది మన టేబుల్‌లో లేదు. ఓన్లీ మేనేజర్ ఐడీస్ ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? 2 టేబుల్‌కి జాయిన్ చేయాలి. సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్ విత్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ టేబుల్. సేమ్ టేబుల్‌లో ఒకటి ప్రైమరీకి ఉంటది. ఒకటి ఫారెన్‌కి ఉంటది. ఆ రెండిటిని జాయిన్ చేసుకోవడమే అంతే మీకు. క్లియరా? This is the way we need to write as a self join. Very important and self join sometimes. Majority we need to write as a equi join or inner join. This is the join is the very important. 70% developers will write this join only in the real time. 70%. 20% what type of joins we need to write? Outer joins only. 20%. The remaining 10% we need to write as a self join only. Okay. This is the giants nesting only. Is it clear up to this all of you, all the giants? మీరు జాయిన్సే మీకు బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే రిపీటెడ్గా జాయిన్సే వస్తూ ఉంటాయి మీకు ఫ్యూజన్లో కూడా. మీకు డిఫరెంట్ టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, మీరు అది ఆ యూఆర్ఎల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఒరాకిల్ రిపాజిటరీలోకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ నుంచి ఆ టేబుల్స్ తీసుకోండి. ఏమేమి టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లో ప్రైమరీ కీ అనే కాలం ఉంటుంది. నేను లేటర్ చెప్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ కన్స్టెంట్స్ చెప్తాను రేపు. అప్పుడు మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. చూడండి ప్రైమరీ కీ అంటే ఏంటి, ఫారిన్ కీ అంటే ఏంటి, యూనిక్ అంటే ఏంటి. టుమారో ఐ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
Natural join pending ఉంది కదా.
చెప్తాను. అది టైం
Oh.
లేదనేసి ఆపేసాను. అది ఒక్కటే.
Okay.
న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్ ఏం లేదు, సింపుల్ గానే ఉంటది. సేమ్ న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్ అనేది ఏంటంటే అది కూడా ఈక్వి జాయిన్ మాత్రమే వర్క్ అవుతుంది. దర్ ఇస్ నో డిఫరెన్స్. న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్ అన్నా, ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ అన్నా, ఈక్వి జాయిన్ అన్నా అన్ని సేమే. బట్ సింటాక్టికలీ ఇట్స్ డిఫరెంట్. అంత ఇంకేం లేదు మీకు.
Okay.
కుమార్ ఐ కెన్ షో ఇట్.
సార్ వన్ డౌట్. హైర్ డేట్ అప్పుడు లెస్ దాన్ ఇచ్చారుగా, ఎవ్రీ టైం డేట్ మెన్షన్ అప్పుడు లెస్ దాన్ ప్రిఫర్ చేయాలా?
కంపారిజన్ డేట్ సీనియర్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇట్లా రాసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనకేంటి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఏముంది? ఎంప్లాయీ రిలేటెడ్ టేబుల్లో ఉంది హైర్ డేట్. ఇప్పుడు ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్ ఎప్పుడు ఎంప్లాయీ సీనియరా మనకు మేనేజర్ సీనియర్ అనేది కంపారిజన్ చేస్తున్నాం.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు కంపారిజన్ చేసినప్పుడు నాకేంటి సీనియర్ మోస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కాబట్టి నేను లెస్ దాన్ పెట్టుకున్నాను. ఒకవేళ నాకు గ్రేటర్ దాన్ పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏమవుతుంది? చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. కరెక్టా?
ఓకే.
అప్పుడు మేనేజర్స్ సీనియర్స్ వస్తున్నారు కంపేర్ టు దేర్ ఎంప్లాయీస్. కరెక్టా? చూడండి ఇక్కడ డేటా చూడండి. వీడు ఎప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయినాడు? 28 సెప్టెంబర్లో జాయిన్. వీడు ఎప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయినాడు? 1 మే. అప్పుడు ఎవరు సీనియర్? మేనేజర్ కదా సీనియర్. మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి? ఎంప్లాయీ సీనియర్ కావాలి కంపేర్ టు దేర్ మేనేజర్ జాయినింగ్ డేట్. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ చేంజింగ్ చేసుకోవాలి కండిషన్స్ అంతే. డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వీ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ ద ఆపరేటర్స్. అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు మీకు ఇక్కడ. మనకి కూడా టక్కున రాదు ఆన్సర్ అనేది. జస్ట్ మీరు సింబల్స్ చూసుకొని మీరు రాసుకోవాలి, కంపారిజన్ చేసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ డేటా అంతే. ఏది కరెక్టా ఏది అనేది. ఓకేనా
సార్? మిస్లీనియస్ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఏమొస్తాయి సార్? మిస్లీనియస్ ఫంక్షన్స్ లో ఏమొస్తాయి సార్? స్టార్టింగ్ లో రాపిచ్చారు కానీ దాంట్లో ఏమొస్తాయి?
అంటే మనం ఏమేమి చెప్పుకున్నాము? యూజర్ అనేది ఒక ఫంక్షన్. యూజర్ అంటే ఏంటి?
ఓకే.
యూజర్ అంటే ఏంటి చెప్పండి?
స్కీమా.
స్కీమా అంటే ఏంటి? మీరు సిస్టమ్ ఏంటి లాగిన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ల్యాప్టాప్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను మీకు ఏంటి కంపెనీ వాడు ఒక యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తాడా లేదా?
సార్
ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటంటే మీకు వంశీ డైలీ షేర్ చేస్తున్నారా లేదా యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్? మీరు ఎలా కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు? మీరు ఫ్యూజన్ కి ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ ఉంటేనే కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు. అంటే అప్పుడు ఏ యూజర్ తో లాగిన్ అయినట్టు మీకు అక్కడ నేమ్ ఉంటది కదా, యూజర్ నేమ్ అనేది. ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. డేటాబేస్ లో మీరు అక్కడ ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో కూడా మీకు ఉంటది యూజర్ నేమ్ అనేది. అది మనకి ఇది యూజర్ అనేది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం? మనకి ఎన్విఎల్ అనే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ చెప్పుకున్నామా లేదా? ఎన్విఎల్ 2 పోలేస్
ఆహా, అది జనరల్ అని చెప్పినారు, అందుకే నేను
జనరల్
కన్ఫ్యూజ్
అన్నా
అయినా.
మిస్లేనియస్ అన్నా ఒకటే
ఓకే
ఇదంతా.
ఓకే ఓకే, అదే
ఇవన్నీ అవే.
యుఐడి.
నేను చూసినప్పుడు అక్కడ జనరల్ అని చెప్తే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయినా సార్,
లేదా
గుర్తుంది.
జనరల్ ఆర్ మిస్లేనియస్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అన్న సేమ్ చూడండి అంతే.
ఓకే
నేను దాంట్లో ఒకటి మిస్ అయింది ఏంటంటే, నేను లేటర్ ఐ కెన్ టెల్ యూ, ట్రంక్ అండ్ రౌండ్. ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్. డేట్స్ లో మిస్ అయినా మనం. ట్రంక్ అండ్ రౌండ్ అనేది మనకి నెంబర్ ఫంక్షన్స్ లో చూసాం, నెంబర్ వాల్యూస్ చూసాం,
అవును
కరెక్టా?
సార్.
మన
అవును.
డేట్స్ అనేది నేను మిస్ అయ్యాను ఒకటి. ఇది నేను నాకు టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను చెప్తాను. నేను ఇది ఒకటి డేట్స్ కి మిస్ అయ్యాను. ట్రంక్ అండ్ రౌండ్ అనేది వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. డేట్స్ లో రాసేటప్పుడు ట్రంక్ ఎలా రాయాలి, రౌండ్ అనేది సేమ్ నెంబర్స్ మాదిరే. నెంబర్ అనేది ఏంటి, ఇప్పుడు 0.5 అంటే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది వాల్యూ, ఇది
అప్ అప్ పై
అప్ టు
1
నెక్స్ట్ ఏ
అయిపోతుంది.
వాల్యూ వెళ్తుంది, 1 కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
అప్పర్ ఎస్
1 కదా నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్
1
వాల్యూ.
1 1 అవును సార్, నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ అది వెళ్తుంది.
0.4 అంటే రౌండ్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది,
0 అయిపోతుంది సార్.
0 అయిపోతుంది, కరెక్టా? ఇప్పుడు నాకు ట్రంక్ అనేది ఏంటి, 0.5 రాసిన అదే వాల్యూ అవుతుంది,
0
0.4 రాసిన అదే వాల్యూ అవుతుంది. ట్రంకేట్ చేస్తుంది మనకి. ఇలాగే సేమ్ డేట్స్ లో కూడా ఉంటది అది. నేను అప్పుడు టైం లేక చెప్పలేదు, నేను ఇది చూసాను. నేను మన మెటీరియల్ చూస్తే ఇది రెండు మిస్ అయినాయి. ఓకే,
ఓకే
రేపు న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్ అయిపోతానే కన్స్టెంట్స్, న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్ అంతా ఒక 10 మినిట్సే. కన్స్టెంట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఏదైనా టాపిక్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ రెండు కవర్ చేస్తాను నేను. ఓకేనా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఇంకెవరికైనా పెండింగ్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మనకి ఏమి ఉన్నాయి, డిడిఎల్ అయిపోయింది, డిఎంఎల్ అయిపోయింది. డిఎంఎల్ లో మనకు ఒకటి పెండింగ్ ఉంది, మెర్జ్ అనేది, కరెక్టా? ఇంకోటి ఇన్సర్ట్ ఆల్ అనేది ఒకటి పెండింగ్ ఉంది. టీసీఎల్ లో సేవ్ పాయింట్ ఒకటి పెండింగ్ ఉంది. ఇంకోటి మనకి డిఆర్ఎల్, ఇది డిసిఎల్ అనేది ఉంటది, కానీ మనకి ఇక్కడ పర్మిషన్స్ లేవండి చెప్పడానికి. ఇది ఏంటంటే
గ్రాంట్
రివోక్ ఉంటుంది. గ్రాంట్ అంటే ఏం లేదంటే, మీరు ఒక యూజరు, ఓకే, మీరు ఒక టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నారు. మీ ఇప్పుడు నేను ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఒక టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన, నేనేంటి వేరే యూజర్ కి పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఇప్పుడు మన యూజర్ ఏంటి, అడ్మిన్ అనేది ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఏ యూజర్తో లాగిన్ అయ్యి అడ్మిన్, ఇంకొక యూజర్ ఏంటి, హెచ్ఆర్ అనేది ఉంది. మీ టేబుల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, అడ్మిన్ యూజర్ లో ఎంప్లాయీ అనేది ఉంది. నా ఈ టేబుల్లోని యాక్సెస్ ని హెచ్ఆర్ యూజర్ కి ఇవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, మీరు పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఈ హెచ్ఆర్ స్కీమాకి, అడ్మిన్ స్కీమా నుంచి హెచ్ఆర్ స్కీమాకి పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు ఏ కమాండ్ రాయాలి, గ్రాంట్ అనేది ఇస్తారు. గ్రాంట్ అంటే ఏంటి, టు గివ్ ద పర్మిషన్స్ టు అదర్ యూజర్. ఒకవేళ వాడు ఆ టేబుల్ మీద ఏదైనా మిస్బిహేవ్ చేస్తున్నాడని మీకు అనుమానం వచ్చింది, మీకు మీ డేటా కాకుండా వేరేది ఏదో చేంజ్ చేశాను, మనకి ఆ పర్మిషన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, మీరు రివోక్ అనేది రాస్తారు. ఇక్కడ మనకి వర్క్ అవ్వవు, నేను చెప్తాను కావాలంటే డెఫినేషన్స్ అంతే ఎలా ఏంటి అనేది. గ్రాంట్ అంటే ఏంటి, పర్మిషన్స్. మీరు పర్మిషన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళకి. ఒకవేళ వాడు ఏదైనా మిస్బిహేవ్ చేస్తే ఆ పర్మిషన్స్ నాకు వద్దు, వానికి ఇవ్వద్దు, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, మీరు క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు రివోక్ అనేది రాస్తారు అంతే. ఓకే, క్లియర్? అప్పుడు జాయిన్స్ ఇస్ ద వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. జస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ ద జాయిన్స్ ఓన్లీ. మనకి ఇక్కడ వేరే టేబుల్స్ లేవు, ఓన్లీ వన్ స్కీమానే ఉంది. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ లేవు ఈ డేటాబేస్లో, అది ప్రాబ్లం. ఒకవేళ మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్స్ ఉంటే మనం ఏదైనా చెప్పడానికి ఉంటుంది, జాయిన్స్ 5-6 టేబుల్స్ కూడా జాయిన్ చేయొచ్చు. మనం చూసాం కదా, ఆల్రెడీ 3 టేబుల్స్ జాయిన్ చేసామా లేదా ఇంత ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో. కంట్రీ, కాంటినెంట్, స్టేట్. మనకేంటి, ఆ 3 టేబుల్ యొక్క కామన్ కాలం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకుని ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, మీరు ఏదన్నా జాయిన్ రాస్తున్నారంటే ఎన్ని టేబుల్స్ కావాలి మీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం, ఆ టేబుల్స్ అన్ని తెచ్చుకోండి. ఈచ్ టేబుల్ కి కామన్ కాలం ఏందనే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. నేను ఒకవేళ 5 టేబుల్స్ ఉంటే మనకి ఎన్ని జాయినింగ్ కండిషన్స్ అవసరమైతే కామన్ కాలంతో, ఎన్ని కాలమ్స్, ఎన్ని జాయినింగ్ కండిషన్స్, 5 టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాకు. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ కామన్ కాలం ఎన్ని రావాలి, 4, 5 - 1. మిగతా అదర్ కండిషన్స్ అండ్ అనేది మీరు ఎన్నన్నా రాసుకోండి. అండ్ ఏంటి, నేమ్ తో ఏదైనా డేటా కావాలనుకున్నప్పుడు అట్లాంటివి ఎన్నన్నా రాసుకోండి. కానీ 5 టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు నాకు జాయినింగ్ కండిషన్స్ ఉండాలి, కామన్ కాలమ్స్ తో 4 ఉండాలి, 10 ఉంటే 9 ఉండాలి. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అంతే, ఏం లేదు. N-1 అదొకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అంతే. మీరు ఎక్కడన్నా కానీ ఆ ఒరాకిల్లో కూడా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, మీరు ఆ ఫ్యూజన్లోకి వెళ్ళి మీకు కావాల్సిన టేబుల్ తీసుకోండి. ఏది ఇప్పుడు హెచ్సిఎంలో చేస్తారా, ఎస్సిఎంలో చేస్తారా, ఫైనాన్స్లో చేస్తారా, ఏదన్నా కానీ సమ్ టేబుల్ తీసుకోండి. ఆ టేబుల్స్లో డిఫరెంట్ టేబుల్స్ రాసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అక్కడ కూడా పిఓ హెడర్స్ ఆలు, పిఓ లైన్స్ ఆలు ఉంటుందా, సేమ్ ఎస్సిఎంలో. అట్లా డిఫరెంట్ టేబుల్ తీసుకోండి. అన్ని టేబుల్ తీసుకొని జాయినింగ్ రాసుకోండి. లేదంటే గూగుల్కి వెళ్ళండి, గూగుల్కి వెళ్ళి ఫ్యూజన్ టేబుల్స్ కొట్టండి, జాయినింగ్ అన్నీ చూసుకోండి. అలా మీరు ట్రై చేసి, మనకి ఈ స్కీమాకి లేవండి, అది ప్రాబ్లం. ఇక్కడ నేను రన్ చేసి చూపించడానికి కూడా లేవు మీకు ఇక్కడ, ఇది వర్క్ అవ్వడం లేదు ఇక్కడ. ఓన్లీ స్పెసిఫిక్ టేబుల్సే మనం క్రియేట్ చేసే టేబుల్సే ఉన్నాయి కానీ వేరే లేవు అది ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ టేబుల్స్ లేవు ఒరాకిల్ వంటి అందుకోసం ఇది రన్ అవ్వదు ఇట్లా మనం ఏది చేసినా అది ఎర్రర్ త్రో చేస్తుంది అందుకోసమని అనేది మనమే డేటాని తెచ్చుకొని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలన్నీ అలాగా నేను ఈసారి ట్రై చేస్తానండి డేటా తీసుకొచ్చి